Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this electronic piano from Konix. So my good friends over at Konix sent me this 88 key electronic piano. It has a MIDI keyboard. It has a piano game, easy to carry, easy to set up. So it's basically a full piano in this small little package. So let me open it up and show you what's inside. Okay, so I've got the box open here, and the first thing we see is the carrying case. We have a sustain pedal and the power cord. So let me take the carrying case out. We'll take the sustain pedal out, as well as the power cord. And now this is the actual piano. So let me get the piano out of the box. As you can see, the whole piano comes wrapped in plastic, as well as foam on the ends to protect it. So we'll get that stuff off now and show you the piano. So here we have the piano out. I have put the music stand there, and it will hold an iPad. You can download a game for this, as well as other different kinds of piano apps. Like I say, it is a full 88 key piano. And let me take this inside. We'll set it up and we'll show you how it plays. So guys, since this is a portable piano, and it is a full 88 key piano, I decided that I'd charge it up and show you the portability of it and bring it outside, and we'll just play it outside so you guys can take a look at this 88 key portable digital piano. So I have it right here in its carrying case. I have it unzipped and ready. Have the sustain pedal right here so I can show you guys the sustain. So we'll just take a quick gander at this, and by no means am I a professional piano player. I really don't know how to play piano, but I'll show you how it sounds and you guys be the judge. So you have your mode. It has a Bluetooth mode. The power button's right here. You have a volume button. You have a metronome button. You have different setting buttons, and then within the keys here, you will find that you can just hit a setting and correlate it to the key, and it'll immediately go to that setting. So let's go ahead and give you guys a little something. So this is just regular piano, and it is touch sensitive. And then you can change the setting here. And then if you want to just jump to a setting, you simply hold the setting button, and we'll pick, for instance, pan flute right here. also has this sustain pedal, so let's plug in this sustain pedal here. And we just come on back here and we find the sustain button. It also has a line in headphones and a microphone slot in the back too. So now let's do a little bit of sustain. Now we could change the setting again and we could do like a trumpet. And again, it is touch sensitive. Sustain. So it's a fairly decent portable piano, and as you can see, I'm not plugged in any way. You can take it with you anywhere you go. You charge it through a regular USB-C like your smartphone, so you can even use your smartphone charger to charge the piano. I do believe it's all MIDI as well, and it has, for instance, the metronome feature here. And then we also have our demo. So it's a fairly inexpensive piano, and it does have the full 88 keys here, which is better than your normal keyboard. It has most of the features and functions of your normal keyboard. So go ahead, check it out, see if you like it. You can get yours today at Amazon. And remember, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban